What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again from Rwanda, Africa. So the question is that why some of the HDMI cables are so expensive? Why some of the HDMI cable cost you 10 bucks, 5 bucks and some of HDMI cables cost you 100, 1000, yeah, even the cable cost you 1 million. Now is one thing. Back in the VCR day, do you remember the VCR day, even the DVD day, the CD player day? The days was we use the analog signal. So if we have a better cable, better shielded cable, is going to reduce the interference, is going to give us the better quality. That was really the case. I mean, the S video cable was not a big case. I mean, you could use a crappy S video and a good S video. Do not sue me. That's my personal opinion. For PlayStation 2, I use the S video with my HD TV to improve the image quality. So now for the HDMI, you understand HDMI is digital. There is nothing, it cannot improve the quality, it cannot degrade the quality. It's simple. Digital signal means the signal is coming or the signal is not coming. It can't be the signal is better, the signal is bad, the image is not. The signal is coming, the signal is not coming. The picture on the TV is coming, the picture on the TV is not coming. There's no like some blurry picture happening, no. Unless you are trying to pull out the cable, the picture is coming, the video is coming, the video is not coming. So you use a $5 cable or some same quality, you use a $20 cable, same quality. I will never ever spend more than 10 bucks. You know, when I was buying my Xbox 360 back in 2007, there was a lady, she was trying to pursue me to buy a Panasonic cable for around 35 US. I was not that stupid. She was telling me, you're going to play the games, you don't want to enjoy your Xbox 360 in like HD resolution. I say, yeah, I want to enjoy. At that time I was a little bit small kid. I was like, how many years I was like around, 17 years old at that time. So she was trying to pressure me when I was buying my Xbox 360. But I resisted pressure and then I just go out and go to a small cable store. I buy a $5 HDMI cable. It works still right now. After 10 years, that $5 cable still works. Here's one thing. Sometimes you need not a better quality HDMI cable, better shielding quality, thick quality. For example, if you're running a video production, you need a thick cable which will not break easily, because you need to, a lot of people walking, they can easily pull out the cable. You need a strong connector. For home, you really don't need any that kind of crap. You don't need, you just need a $5 cable maximum. Spend 10 bucks. If you're spending more than $10 US, you're absolutely stupid. Or if you start talking about the length, I mean, some cables can cost you like 15 bucks, 20 bucks. I understand they are like, I mean, like 5 meter, 10 meter in length. I can understand. Normally for home, do not spend 10 bucks or more. It was me, Jimmy. So I hope this answers the question. Bye.